All right, so we put some stuff in here. You can see we got the radiator in, got the battery back in, got the water pump in, got the alternator there. It's just sitting there to pull the water pump. And we got our redneck fuel pump, which is an upside down bottle that feeds the carb. We're gonna give it a little gas down the choke here. It is cold out today, so I don't know if it's gonna start right up or not, but we're gonna see. Here we go. All right, so the idea is to let it warm up. See what we got for water.
Looks like we have to keep squeezing the fuel thing then.
Yeah, we might have to keep squeezing the fuel.
Yeah, because it's bubbling up into it now.
Oh yeah, I could hear it. So we actually do need to force it.
We need to pump our own fuel.
All right, I don't know if it's going to start or not. We'll see. Let's put some more fuel in there.
It just needs a lot in the choke for some reason.
Well, it's cold.
Real cold.
That might be enough. Who knows?
Just a little bit to start.
Ah! You know, I hate it when a plan doesn't come together. I'm wondering if I don't need to give this a little air. Did I put fuel in there? I don't know.
You splashed a little.
A little more ain't gonna hurt nothing.
Mm-hmm.
Terrible gas, man. Where's the fan?
No crap.